Today I'm going to show you how to configure mail delivery schedules in MDaemon. We'll start by clicking on Remote Mail Delivery Schedule, which you'll find here in MDaemon Remote Administration under the main menu as shown here. When this first box is checked, by default, MDaemon will try to deliver queued mail immediately whenever possible. You can also configure a default mail delivery schedule. You can actually configure multiple mail delivery schedules and apply them to different mail queues. So you can customize mail delivery settings for your particular business. In this instance, we're going to talk about the default mail delivery schedule, which you can see here. And with this box checked, we can choose how often to deliver queued mail. For example, every 1 minute, every 5 minutes. This is going to apply to mail that is in the remote queue. The remote queue holds mail that is addressed for external domains or email addresses under external domains. So for example, I've got my test server delivering queued mail from the remote queue every 1 minute. And of course, you have other options here, such as delivering mail a given number of minutes after the last time mail was delivered, or delivering mail if a certain number of messages are placed into the queue, or messages that are a certain number of minutes old or older. Now, in addition to these settings, there is another configuration screen with some additional mail delivery scheduling settings. And you'll find those settings under the Setup menu. If we go over here to Mail Queues, DSN, and then over here under the Retry Queue section, we can configure how long messages are kept in the remote queue. So during this time frame, while those messages are in the remote queue, MDaemon will try to deliver them based on the schedule that we just configured on the event scheduling screen that we just saw a moment ago. After that 60 minutes has elapsed, messages that have not yet been delivered will be placed into the retry queue, and then MDaemon can try to deliver those messages at less frequent intervals. So for example, I have my test server retrying delivery of previously undeliverable messages once every 5 minutes. And you have some additional settings, such as informing the sender when a message delivery is delayed, or when a previously delayed message has been delivered. And then using the settings under the section here, Fate of Undeliverable Mail, we can determine what to do with messages that have been sitting in the retry queue for a given period of time that still have not been delivered. For example, right here, if a message that was in the retry queue could not be delivered after 2 days, then you can choose what to do with that message, such as route the message to the bad message queue, inform the sender that the message could not be delivered, or inform the postmaster that the message could not be delivered. So I hope this helps clear up any confusion about mail delivery schedules in MDaemon. If there are any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.